Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I gonna show you how to adding and subtracting vertical columns in MS Excel program. So firstly open MS Excel program. I already set the some datas. There is the first number, second number, and we will get the result. So firstly we will add. So how we will do? Select this cell and type equal. Select first one. Now type plus. Now select second number. Now make enter. Forgetting the result, enter vertical column. Select all column. Now enter Ctrl D. So you will get result for both vertical columns. And if you want to subtracting, so you can see here is the plus sign. Remove plus sign and make the minus sign and enter. Now select first one and select all. So you will get result, enter vertical columns in subtracting. So by this method you can get result for enter vertical columns in MS Excel program. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.